Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to clear cache and thanks to it speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to go to the apps, so the third option from the top. Then let's tap on see all 38 apps, and of course 38 in my case, and basically here we've got the full list of apps which are currently saved, not saved but installed on your device, and all we have to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're using frequently, and remove cache. So for example, let me go to the contacts. After tapping on it, we have to go to storage and cache. And as you can see here, we've got this cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So all you have to do is to tap on clear cache, your device will immediately remove it, and thanks to it, free some memory. That's why I highly recommend to go through all of them and remove cache to save some space. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.